Today I share with you an easy minced beef recipe that you will love. So if you've been thinking about how to cook minced beef, yes, here I am sharing with you a minced beef and potato recipe that tastes so nice and delicious. You will love it. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let me show you the ingredients. I'll be using some bell peppers, some minced beef. Here I have my potatoes already cleaned and cut into small sizes. Let me show you the spices that I'll be using to make this minced beef recipe delicious. Now I have red bell pepper here, cooking oil, and I'll be using some onions. Let's go over to cook. It's time to cook. So into my pot, I'll pour the cooking oil. After I pour the cooking oil into the pot, I'll add the sliced onions. Then I'll proceed to mix very well. And then I will allow the sliced onions fry for about 1 minute on medium heat before I add my bay leaves. After adding the bay leaves, I'll cook again for another 1 minute. Now, after that 1 minute, it's time to flavor the oil some more. The idea here is I want to flavor the oil so that my minced beef tastes amazing. And I'll start by adding diced ginger. I'll also be adding some other ingredients that you see in that bowl, like dried thyme, nutmeg powder, and curry powder. If you watched this video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Why? Because on this channel, I post amazing recipes. And if you're looking for more minced beef recipes, yes, you will find that on this channel because I will be posting many more minced beef and potato recipes as I go on. After frying for another 2 minutes, it's time to add the minced beef. I'll proceed to break the minced beef into the frying spices and the oil so that everything can merge very well and taste amazing. But I'm not done yet. I'm still going to show you one mystery ingredient that would take your minced beef and potato recipe to the next level. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, after mixing in the minced beef, this is what it looks like after about 2 minutes. Now I'll proceed to add my seasoning cubes. I'll add some salt for taste and chili pepper. The chili pepper is absolutely optional, but I tell you, it was not even, this meal is not spicy at all. I added it because I like the flavor chili pepper adds to my meals. After mixing it in, I'll cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, this is what my minced beef looks like, already cooked and lovely. Now I'll pour in my diced or small sized potatoes and I'll add some water as well. Remember, potatoes need water to cook. Now I'll mix all of this up very well. Now let me say this, it depends on the potato you are cooking, but for this recipe I cooked my potatoes took about 15 to 20 minutes for them to be properly cooked before I went on to add the other ingredients. So I would suggest that before you add the other ingredients that I will show you towards the end of this video, make sure you taste your potato first to be sure it is properly cooked. Now I'm just mixing everything up, and I need to also tell you, for this recipe I cooked 6 large potatoes and I added 3 cups of water. I'll cover, and like I said, I'll cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what my potato looks like. Delicious, lovely, and nice. Now I'll mix all of this up very well again so that it doesn't get burnt. Remember, yes, so it doesn't get burnt, so you have to mix very well. Now, this right here is the mystery ingredients, baked beans. Oh my goodness, try this and you will have a lovely, delicious minced beef and potato dish. I'll mix the baked beans into my meal or into my dish, and after mixing everything up very well, I'll cover again and cook for another 5 minutes on medium heat. Remember, let me show you what it looks like after 5 minutes. Ta-da! So now I'll add my bell peppers. Because bell peppers are vegetables, they don't really have to cook for so long. I'll add my bell peppers. I'll mix my bell peppers very well into the minced beef and potatoes and baked beans and everything. And make sure everything is properly mixed and looking very nice. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And if you've been thinking, what can I do with minced beef? here you have it. You can make minced beef and potatoes. After cooking for an extra 2 minutes, this is what my minced beef dish looks like. Oh my goodness. Like I said, there's so many minced beef and potato recipes, and I'll be exploring all the other options on this channel. So, but first, take a look at this. Don't you feel like just giving me a bowl, so you can have a taste? I know you love to have a taste, but this recipe is an easy recipe that you can try at home. Anyway, let me serve some into a bowl or into my plate so that you can see what it looks like. But trust me, it looks so delicious and it tastes delicious. Like I would always say in all my videos, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always supporting me. And if you're a new viewer on this channel, welcome. Don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always.